The Secure Shell, or SSH protocol, includes a group of useful utilities for securely communicating with remote systems. Red Hat Enterprise Linux provides the Open SSH packages, which includes both SSH server and client applications. We will demonstrate the SSH and SCP commands in this video. We will start with the SSH daemon, which is the SSH server daemon that allows remote SSH connections to communicate with the system. If this service is not running, then we will not be able to SSH into this system. SSH is the most commonly used tool by technicians for administering remote RHEL systems. SSH allows us to open up a secure remote shell on another system. All of our command traffic back and forth from the client to the server system is encrypted. In the old days, administrators would have used Telnet to maintain remote systems. The problem with Telnet is that all traffic was passed in clear text, meaning that anyone on the network could sniff out that traffic and find login credentials and other important information. The SSH utility is a far superior replacement for Telnet since all of the communications between the systems is now encrypted, preventing others from reading our network traffic. To remote into another system with the SSH command, run the following. We run the SSH command, followed by the username for the account that we wish to log in as, then the @ symbol, and finally the IP or hostname of the system we are attempting to access. If we haven't logged into this system remotely before, we are presented with the remote system's secure fingerprint. This is to help us make sure that when we try and log into the same system again at this IP or hostname, that we are in fact accessing the correct system. If the fingerprint doesn't match the one that we already have, it could mean that the other system has been compromised and we are attempting to access an illegitimate remote system. Type in yes to confirm, then press enter. We are then prompted for the root user's password from the remote system. Type in the password, then press enter. We are now logged into the remote system and we can run commands on it as if we were sitting right in front of it. While we are on this system, let's take a look at the SSH daemon configuration file. This is the configuration file that controls how the SSH server operates. For instance, if we scroll down, we can see the directive that allows root to remote into this system through SSH. If we were to change this to disallow root logins, then to perform system administrative tasks, we would first need to log in as a normal user, then elevate our privileges to root either through the sudo or su commands. Take a look at this file further to see some of the options available to the SSH daemon. To log out of an SSH session, just type exit, then press enter. Now we are back in our local system. We can also copy files from one system to another through an encrypted connection using the SCP command. SCP is short for secure copy. Here is an example. To copy our vim-test file in our local root user's home directory to the root user's home directory on the remote system, we run the following. We run SCP, then we tell it the name of the file that we wish to copy, then we provide the account that we will be logging into the remote system as, followed by the @ symbol, then the IP or hostname of the system, then a colon, and finally the path to where we wish to copy the file. Then we enter in the remote root user's password. And our file is copied over. Take a look at the man page for the SSH command to find out more about it.